Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to check your website error logs using cPanel. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or just keeping an eye on your site's performance, knowing how to read error logs is super helpful. So let's dive right in. First things first, log into your cPanel account. Once you're inside the cPanel dashboard, scroll down to the section called Metrics and click on Errors or Error Logs. This tool displays the most recent errors that have occurred on your website. You'll now see a list of error messages, usually up to the last 300 errors. These can include missing files, script errors, permission issues, or misconfigured .txs files. Each log entry will include the date and time, the error type, the file path, and a short message describing the issue. Use this information to track down broken links, fix typos in file names, or correct incorrect permissions. If you're running a CMS like WordPress, these logs can help pinpoint plugin or theme conflicts too. And that's it. Now you know how to check your website error logs in cPanel and start fixing those pesky issues. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell so you don't miss future tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.